Good morning. I am Flordelis Sobramonte, and here is our documentary. We're here in Alcantara subdivision and looking for our interviewee. Here is our way.
Yes.
It's so hot here, you know?
Wait lang. Ayan. Ayan. Grabe ko.
Parang banda pa, no?
Oo. Ano ba yan? Pilapil pala to. Ayun na. Kadi, ano ba? Kadi.
Parang bundok lang, eh, no? Wait a minute.
Ano ba yan? Pilapil. Di ba pala yan?
There. Oh, there's
Ito?
a
Tatawid ka.
drainage. Saka ito may drainage doon.
Ayan.
So, you know,
Uy, baka malaglag.
so, fencing. This is fencing, eh. Puti ka mo, wala akong payo, eh.
Oh.
You know, it's so shiny today. And,
Bakit naman si JD po?
so,
Ito lang.
Yan, malapit na po kami.
Galaw!
Malapit na po kami at doon na po.
oo nga doon na malaki. May tae pa po ng mga kambing.
Fresh.
It's so fresh here. The air is fresh.
Woo!
Oh, tiring.
And there's the interviewer.
Interviewee.
Interviewee.
I am the interviewer.
Sorry for
Yeah,
the
it's okay.
I look at the house, it's so beautiful.
Wow.
Beyond the color.
Oh, look! There's a Carabao. There's a Carabao over there.
Where?
There, oh.
Oh, no, it's cow.
Oh, it's cow. Carabao.
Kaya cow labaw.
Carabao, that. And that, kambing. Meh. Goat, I mean.
Hmm?
Hello po.
Kuya, pinagsarin ko.
Yung mga tao. Yung mga tao.
Okay. Okay. Yan.
Gumising ka na.
Oh, ayan. Picture ako ba? Sana hindi narinig yung mga boses. Oh! Tapos.
This is the house of our pasok na kayo.
Tapos.
Hi. Oh, Daphne. Hello. Diana. JD. JD. Pwede po bang makuha ng inyong manok?
Yan! Pogi ba?
Ay, pogi.
Pogi na rin.
Ay, pogi din.
Puta, mas pogi pa yata yung manok sa may-ari. Napapangit ang tao,